Western Oregon University, we prioritize cultivating student success. We are dedicated to creating a student-centered learning community. By working together, we are inspiring our students with innovative practices which helps them achieve their academic goals and advance in their careers. Recently, we surveyed our students to learn what they wanted and needed in their courses. On the one hand, we heard classes were accessible, interactive, and easy. On the other side, there was confusion. Things were unclear, hidden, and hard. Students also told us we need to prioritize structure in Canvas. Michael said, there is no generalized system between instructors in how they post or use Canvas. Not having predictability means I spend time figuring out how each class is being presented before I'm able to participate efficiently. Jamie said, I really enjoy when all my classes have a predictable layout and due dates set up so I can plan my time. To answer our students' concerns, faculty fellows in the Center for Teaching and Learning have developed an easy-to-use Canvas template. This template promotes consistency, accessibility, and reduces the cognitive load for your students. This course template also ensures that your students focus on the content and not how to find it.
And my students love having a template. It helps them know what to expect from me, where they can find everything, and it helps them go between instructors, knowing that when they change from one class to another, they don't have to reinvent the wheel.
To access the CTL template, go to woo.edu/ctl/resources and scroll down to Frequent Requests. From there, click Create a Canvas Development Show. Now you'll see a very familiar looking form, but at the bottom you have a new button that says Basic Template. Next you'll see the Canvas Course Template homepage with a navigation bar on the left. Click Modules and you'll see the module structure has a very consistent layout from week to week. Each week is going to have an introduction and overview page with a consistent structure which is going to reduce the cognitive load students experience from jumping between different styles within a Canvas page or template. What you don't see is how much work has been done by the CTL team to make all of these pages accessible.
Having a template is a huge time savings. It goes from probably 5 to 10 hours to set up a course to maybe half of that, because the shell is already there, all the basics are there, and I just need to plug in my information that's specific to my course.
Whether you need support getting started or further assistance in establishing the best and most efficient practices for your course, we're here to help. Book your one-on-one session with the Center for Teaching and Learning today. Together, we can make Canvas easy.